Hey, let me show you how to change volume button function for camera on your Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus. Let's get started. Just open camera first, and now when you will press volume up or volume down button, by default it will launch timer. But if it's useless for you, then you can replace it with any other option. For this, just click this arrow and go in the settings by clicking on this icon. And right here, scroll till you see the tab named Volume Button Functions. And now you can switch to shutter, to zoom or volume. Let's try shutter for example. Let's launch camera again and click this volume up button. And now we just took a photo. Let's replace it again with any other option. So, for example, switch to zoom. And let's try it. Now, as you can see, we will zoom in the picture, and with the help of volume down button, you will be able to zoom out the picture. And the last one, let's click the settings again. You can also switch to volume. So let's check it. So now it will volume up and now volume down. And that's all. I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you so much for watching.